Hi, this is Saita Mankar.
Hi, this is Priya Bapat,
And you are watching Bollywood Hungama.
Okay, something about your forthcoming films. I believe you're doing Love Sonia
Yeah.
with Frida Pinto and
Yeah,
Anupam
yeah,
Kher, and would you like to tell about that? Something about that?
So this
You play the role of Anjali in the film.
Yeah.
It's a Hollywood film.
It's a crossover film. You can't say it's a Hollywood film. It's how Slumdog Millionaire was.
Correct.
It is the same zone. So the film is about sex trafficking, and it starts from India, goes to LA, and I have these brigade of wonderful actors with me, and I am very, very excited to be a part of this. I have a small part though, but it was just amazing to be an important part of this project.
Great. What else are you doing apart from that?
There's one more film called Rakshas. It's with me and it's with Sharat Kelkar, myself, and Jnanish Zoting. He's a debutant director. So it's a mystery thriller. So I think it's a very exciting genre. It was selected for Sundance. The script was selected for Sundance.
Great.
So I'm looking forward to that.
Okay,
And Vazandar, of course.
Obviously, and there were reports that Telugu Hunter is being made in Telugu, and you will be just recreating your own character in that.
I think so. I am not sure because I will be busy promoting Vazandar, and I think during the same time they want to shoot. So I'm still not sure whether I'll be able to do it. I really want to do it, but if only time permits. Yes, I've been approached. That's true.
Right. You also made a very important contribution for the cause of water in Maharashtra last year. Are you happy with the fact that we've had like a very good monsoon?
Yes,
And,
I am extremely happy.
yeah.
Extremely happy. And yeah, I mean, when you are a public figure, when you have followers, and when you get to do something like this for your own nation or your state, I mean, what else can I ask for?
Absolutely.
And I have told Amir that I would love to be a part of your movement
Yeah,
till
they're starting
till your
the
target.
second wave.
Yes, so I would love to be a part of the second one also, and it was a great experience. I cannot honestly tell you in words how I felt, but it was amazing, mesmerizing.
You were posting selfies with him, and
Yes.
while you guys were going to the village.
Yes.
And did you discuss with him about the gaining weight as well, because he did that for Dangal? Did you
Not
discuss that?
really, but I witnessed his crazy routines, diet, sleeping times, and that man works really hard and he knows his job, so he's amazing. It was lovely being around him.
Great. What about you? What are you doing next, Priya Bapat?
I just finished shooting for 2 films. One is called Gachi and the other one is called Pimple. Gachi is again a debutant director, Nachiket Samant. It's a story of 2 people, one day location. It's a one day story. Just caught up somewhere and I can't reveal the story now. And Pimple is with Dilip Prabhakar, who's a very senior actor.
The guy who played Gandhi in
Yes.
Lage Ramanna Bhai.
Yes. So, yeah. So that's about it for now. 2 films.
Okay, and I believe you've done quite a few Hindi films as well. I think you've been part of Lage Ramanna Bhai as well.
Yeah.
And
Both Munna Bhai.
Munna Bhai as well, and a few other movies as well.
That's how I know Rajesh Mahapaskar because he used to be with
Correct, with
Rajkumar Hirani.
Rajkumar Hirani.
Yes.
Correct. So any Hindi films for you in the pipeline?
No, I haven't signed anything yet, so I can't tell you anything.
So you are in talks as
No,
they
it's
say?
not that. I have been approached, but I'm just waiting for the best opportunity to come in Bollywood. But I'm not really restricted to languages. I've been approached even a Malayalam film and a Telugu film, so I don't know which one I'll do, but the current status is I don't know.
Kya baat. Fantastic. So, Saita Mankar and Priya Bapat, honored to have you guys in Bollywood Hungama, and looking forward to Vazandar for sure. And finally, before leaving, any dialogue from Vazandar that you'd like to just say in Marathi for us, both of you?
ज्या मुली जाड नसतात ज्या मुली बारीक नसतात त्या
त्या
जाडच असतात असं आधीमध्ये काही नसतं
इट मीन्स जो लोग पतले
पतले
नहीं
नहीं
होते
होते हैं,
वो मोटे ही होते हैं देयर इज
Right.
नथिंग इन बिटवीन
करेक्ट. आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? Any dialogue that you'd like to say?
this is our tagline and I think it describes the best what we want to convey through our film ज्या बारीक नसतात त्या जाडच असतात so again it does not matter what size you are your health matters so please be healthy
साई जी एक्चुअली आपके बहुत ज्यादा फैंस हैं बॉलीवुड हंगामा पे तो वो मतलब मेरा जीना मुश्किल कर देंगे कि सेम डायलॉग जो है साई तमानकर से आपने करवा दिया व्हाट क्या आपने तीर उखाड़ लिया तो प्लीज एक आप डिफरेंट डायलॉग आप
different dialogue
हाँ फ्रॉम
अच्छा,
वजनदार प्लीज
from वजनदार
प्रोड्यूसर इज सिटिंग ओवर हियर एज वेल एंड वो विधि जो है वो भी शी इज
पता है।
आइंग मी एंड शी इज सेइंग दैट
बट दॅट्स व्हेरी इमोशनल
आमच्यावर अन्याय झालाय
जो चाहे आप जो चाहे
आमच्यावर अन्याय झालाय ऐसा एक डायलॉग we go to police station and we want to lodge a complaint
या I've seen that.
and then we you know the
हमारे साथ अन्याय हुआ है
हाँ, so I find it quite funny.
राइट या
The way she says Kaveri, that's my character.
राइट
अन्याय झाला है, अन्याय. She does not know what to say.
Right.
अन्याय हुआ है या जबरदस्ती हुई है या क्या हुआ है. She does not know how to put what has happened with, put it across to the inspector that is sitting in front of her.
जी, बिल्कुल.
So she says अन्याय झाला है. So I quite like that dialogue from वजनदार. अन्याय झाला है. आमच्यावर
We'll
अन्याय.
settle for that. We'll settle for that. बहुत ज्यादा उन्होंने एकदम 2-3 वर्ड्स में जो है शी इज मतलब इतने में इतना ही मिलेगा इतने पैसे में इतने
ऐसा थोड़ी ना, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
and you'll be just having a good time so that we can have content as I mentioned to you and some fun content because the movie looks fun as well apart from like I think it's having a emotional moment as well from the promo that the way we gather so thank you very much for being on Bollywood Hungama and looking forward to Vazandar and all of which adventures thank you Rohit.
Thank you. Do watch the film.
Thank you.
Please
Yeah, sure.
do watch it.
Thank you very much. That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama.